Today, having several conversations, and that's why I'm saying it in English, but I would say it way better in Spanish, is when the quantum physics interpretation, the most known one is the Copenhagen, but there are several others. And maybe these several others are explaining exactly the same thing, but going through some different doors that takes them to some formulas that they weren't exactly that one, but keeping the non-duality way, there are infinite ones as long as the structure is the same. And only the observer of the observer of the observer of the observer can know what I'm talking about. And so this being said, every time I hear now doctors with very, very, very conservative ways of living, with this big brush of butterfly and the hairstyle very, very conservative, very, very conservative, and now they are talking about near-death experiences. Only in that moment they accept about quantum mechanics. But if it is about meditation or drugs induced or any other aspect that is far, 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 far from believing in God, then they wouldn't accept it. So they are losing the non-duality of the quantum mechanics. They are only taking it and saying, oh, beautiness, only the Lord would have done this beautiful cosmos because it's beautiful to your eyes. So it's always androcentric perspective. And from the perspective of unityness of everything, because I could go just to only one higher level, but I want to go, no, I want to know. I'm talking from the level that is about the unityness of all these things. So how unimportant would be to be in favor or against this idea as well. And so the most conservative the people are, and the more God believers, so is the quantum interpretations are gonna be, but some of them are not following the structure that I was talking about, the other interpretations apart from Copenhagen. But one interpretation tomorrow can be Vatican interpretation of the quantum mechanics. And as long as they keep people ignorant, they can reach the higher levels of awareness about the non-duality, keep that level that is way far from the believers. The believers would never reach such a high level, and that's it. They just get their own interpretation. And the Bible had the same story. It was written 2,000 years ago, and how many religions based on the Bible we have today? Different interpretations, the Copenhagen, the whatever you want to call it.